Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The Jamaica Social Stock Exchange is a platform that allows donations to charities in a transparent manner, with a project manager and the Jamaica Stock Exchange oversight. When you give to the listed charities, you have the ability to see how the money is managed. This innovation in the way of giving is new to the Caribbean, and we sat down with Dr. Marlene Streetforest, Managing Director of the JSE, to learn more. What is the Social Stock Exchange, Doc?
The Social Stock Exchange is there to allow entities that have social projects. And these are projects, for example, looking about persons' education. It has to do with crime and violence. It has to do with uplifting.
So social, society, charities?
Yes.
Okay.
And dealing with those challenges. So the entities are able to come to the Social Stock Exchange and get funding for these projects. It is obviously a very good means of ensuring that as the society is helped, then the economic conditions and economic prospect of the country is also assisted.
Okay, so let's break it down. If someone has a charity,
yes,
but they have a project, maybe they want to build a school or have a farm or do inner city tours, they can apply to the Social Stock Exchange.
Yes.
And when they apply, what happens?
When they apply to the Social Stock Exchange, we evaluate that project.
Yes.
And ensure that that project has continuity, sustainability.
Yes.
We can measure the impact
Yes.
that that project will have on the society.
Yes.
And then we could accept that project. Having accepted that project, we consider that project listed.
Yes.
And so they are able to get funds
Yes.
from donors. It's donation in the first place.
Yes.
It's social capital, it is called.
Yes.
And get that fund in order to, as you say, look about that chicken coop or whatever it is for the benefit of the community.
All right, so we're getting donations to
Yes.
the Social Stock Exchange, which is run by the Stock Exchange.
Right.
All right. So my name is Denise Williams. We're here with Dr. Marlene Streetforest, and we just talked about the Jamaica Social Stock Exchange. During trading for the period June 4, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The Limners and Bards Limited with 2,397,909 units, amounting to 13.42% of the market volume for total sales for the trading day. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 1,744,951 units, amounting to 9.76% of the market volume of total sales for the trading day. Everything Fresh Limited with 1,494,354 units, amounting to 8.36% of the market volume of total sales for the trading day. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on June 4, 2024, registered a volume of 137,591 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $1,385,980 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 71 cents. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 46,353 shares, changing hands for a value of 193,620 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 42 cents, followed by National Enterprises Limited with a volume of 23,599 shares, being traded for 86,133 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 35 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On June 4, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $67.2 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $91.1 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.27 and bought the US dollar for $154.91. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.36, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 50 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.63 and bought for $114.13. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $5.61, selling it for $198.77 and buying it for $193.16. For the credit report tip of the day, let us look at the powerful technique of credit stacking, a strategic way to build and utilize your credit effectively. In order to use the technique of credit stacking, which allows you to access more funding for your dreams, you need to understand the strategy. And this actually means applying for multiple credit lines within a short period of time to maximize your available credit. Here's how you do it. Timing is key. So you're going to apply for new credit lines when your score is the highest. Pre-approvals also minimize hard inquiries on your credit score. And diversify. So apply for different types of credit when you are credit stacking. So that means credit cards and personal loans. Do a mix to build a robust credit profile. Join us tomorrow for more credit stacking techniques. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.